Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change password in DiDi application. To change your password on DiDi app, the first thing to do is to open the DiDi application from your app drawer. Make sure to log into your account as well. From the main homepage, tap on the menu button at the top left. And then, from the expanded menu, tap on Edit Personal Information at the top of the screen. Now, click on the password option under My Profile. Enter the current password for your account in the first text box that you are using. After you enter your current password, enter your new password on the next field and finally click on Confirm to change your password on DiDi. Now that you've changed your password, next time you sign into your account, you will now need to enter the newly created password. So that is how you can easily change password in DiDi app. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.